Front-load washing machine. Pump filter cleaning. Purpose: to unclog filter and have better wash efficiency. Pump filter is to be cleaned if these symptoms are observed: wet clothes after spin, excessive vibration, longer wash cycle times, wash cycle pauses. Open the drain pump cover located on the bottom right corner. Turn the filter cover anti-clockwise to open the filter. Drain the residue water. Clean the filter for any coins, pins, lint, etc. Refit the filter by turning it clockwise. Close the drain pump cover. Mop the surrounding floor area for any water spillage.